So here in this video we are going to fix this nebulizer. Let's open it at first. So this is all it has inside. This metal piece is the motor. It has the piston mechanism. Some threads and wires winded up on the fan, so it reduces the fan efficiency. Let's remove it. So before touching the motor, we should check the wires and the switch. Here the wire is broken, so I removed it and I will make a new joint. Well, it's working now. Let's see if it gives enough air pressure. Yup, it's all working. Let's place back the cover. We can check the air pressure by placing the finger as well. From here it sucks the air in. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.